I sent my children to the Welsh school because it is our nationality. At the end of the day, they say you're English, but we're not. We are Welsh, so we should speak Welsh. And that's why I've sent the three of them to the Welsh school.
How do you feel that you didn't have the same education? Your education was through English,
Well,
presumably.
I think it's wrong that somebody else should have the choice for you. I mean, we are Welsh, we're classed as Welsh, so why can't we speak Welsh? I mean, when I was in school, I think it was two lessons a week I had in Welsh.
In my case, I can't remember if it was typing or shorthand, but it was something that you needed for what you'd want to do when you left school. So it was a choice of what would be important to your job, or Welsh, and you end up giving Welsh because it's not classed as being important for a job these days.
What I understand is it was a deliberate ploy to sort of propagandise people and make them feel that their child would not flourish if they were brought up in a Welsh-speaking household. They needed to have English only in order to flourish.
But it would be lovely to have had the choice to speak Welsh to my father, who was learning. And there's we've got a Welsh station on television. I've got to have CFAX. I've got to have subtitles. I don't understand it.
Well, it's like us now. We've been fighting for a Welsh comprehensive school for years because Llanari is overcrowded and it's just so many Welsh children speaking now are going there. And they'll give you money for an English comprehensive straight away.
There's also an hour-long bus journey, which you haven't mentioned.
Right, and they leave, I think it is 7:20, is it, or 7:10 in the morning. They're not home till about 5:05. If we spoke English, they'd give it to us, but they won't because it's a Welsh-speaking school that we're fighting for, and they will not give it to us.
So you see, Elwyn, most people in Wales have not had the chance to learn Welsh. English was made a compulsory language of education from 1870 onwards. The numbers of Welsh speakers dropped from 90% to 20%. I don't believe in compulsion, Elwyn. I do feel that adults should be inspired, if possible, to learn their country's language. I believe children should have the right to learn Welsh on exactly the same terms as they learn English.